Good morning from Venice, Italy. I think you guys probably recognize this beautiful canal. We are at the beginning of the Dolomites trip with Brendan Van Son, and it all starts right now. Let's go. And welcome back to the boat here this morning. We have been in Venice for just about a day now. Arrived yesterday from Hamburg, and the weather was really quite bad, to be honest, very overcast and kind of stormy. And met the group. I'm traveling with Brendan Van Son on this trip. We're running a workshop in the Dolomites and Cinque Terre for the next 10 days. So a lot to look forward to in this series. And it began here in Venice this morning with kind of an overcast sunrise, but still a chance to get some nice blue hour light and some cool light trails of the boats going through the main canal, and just like classic travel photography scenes here in Venice. But as you guys know, most of you watching this have been to Venice. If you haven't, it's very busy. It's a very touristy, kind of overcrowded city. Even now, post-COVID, it's still definitely getting back to pre-COVID numbers. So we are heading out of the city. We're going north into the Dolomites, into the mountains to try and explore a couple of different lakes and churches and beautiful landscapes. So that's where we're heading right now. Yo, yo, yo.
Yo.
What's happening?
Trying to Android Auto this bitch, and it's done. Yes.
We got power.
We got power.
All right, we got vans. It's time to hit the road. We're heading towards Lago de Braies, yeah? Cortina.
Going to the airport.
No.
We're not going to the airport.
Where are we going?
To the airport. At the net.
And we have made it after only a couple hours driving from Venice. This is the area around Cortina in the Italian Dolomites, and this lake specifically is Lago Antonio. I think I'm saying that right, or Antonio. Did I just repeat the same thing twice? Beautiful lake, no wind at the moment, so you're getting these really nice reflections. I mean, there's a little tiny bit of wind, but nothing too hectic. And this is outside of the drone prohibited areas within Italy, according to an Italian drone map that I've been using for a couple of years now. And it's very, very detailed with a whole bunch of information about where you can and cannot fly. And this lake is in an area that you can fly. So fantastic drone footage, really, really beautiful content for the channel here to give you an overview of what this looks like. We're just getting perfect light on the side mountain with frost on the treetops. Just perfect, looks absolutely stunning. So the whole crew's here by the lake, getting the photos, and great start to the Dolomites with a bit of snow on the ground. First snow I've seen this, not this year, but this winter, this new season. So pretty cool. What a start to our first day here in the Dolomites. That was possibly the best light we'll get of the whole trip. So hopefully that's not foreshadowing the rest of this series, but that was insane. Absolutely incredible location here. We've just got perfect conditions, and I wasn't able to do a piece to camera because it was just like one of those moments where you're kind of like, the light is happening in all directions. We've only got a short window here in this part of the year to be able to capture it, and I think we got some really nice content here and some great photos from the guys who are part of this tour with myself and Brendan. So awesome that you checked out the video. Hope you enjoyed some of that footage. If you do ever do a trip to the Dolomites, be sure to come and check this spot out because it is absolutely beautiful, and there's a ton of locations around here, which is why we're here in the Cortina area. So you got lots to look forward to in the next video, where we continue our exploration of this region of the Dolomites here in Italy. So I'll see you in the next video.